When we tell people that we kind of specialize in small business insurance, it's kind of a generic term, kind of an all-encompassing term, and we do have products for just about any business. But over the years, we really kind of gravitated and developed an expertise in a few areas. One of them has to do with professional services, doctors' offices, lawyers, accountants, architects, engineers, veterinarians, dentists, things of that nature that might not only have an office exposure, but also have a professional and errors and omissions exposure. Another area has to do with businesses or individuals that have a lot of property. Maybe a building owner, office building, warehouse, a church, and even condominium associations. And lastly is kind of new businesses form in the areas of technology, software, data management. We've really developed an expertise and have companies to help you address those issues.
Some of the new exposures that we've seen in our market over the last 10 years have to do with the internet and technology exposures. The old general liability policy covers bodily injury and property damage due to your negligence, but the internet has brought a lot of new exposures that aren't covered by the general liability policy. We represent some wonderful companies that are experts in this field, and we suggest to our insureds that they take a look and see what they're doing on the internet and see if those exposures need to be covered by a new type of coverage called cyber liability.
One of the best parts about handling small business insurance is just dealing with the diversity of the types of business that make up our economy. Learning about those businesses, but more importantly, getting to know and learn about each of the owners of those businesses, developing that relationship. The best part is it's always changing. You as a business owner, you might be diversifying into different products, different services, so we enjoy learning about that. The insurance marketplace in general is constantly changing. There's new liability exposures, new coverages in place every day. So one of the best parts about our business is the ongoing dialogue we have based on the relationship that we have with the business owner. I think sometimes people perceive insurance as a necessary evil in their business, and a lot of times I get that because it's an expense that they incur, and a lot of times they don't see the results of that. But for the most part, you as a business owner, you've invested a lot of your life savings, certainly years and years of sweat equity, into a business that you're counting on for cash flow to support your family, to support the employees in your business who certainly you care about. So our goal in the end is to help you as a business owner identify all the insurance issues you may face to ultimately help you sleep better at night knowing that the assets and the time you have invested in your business are covered. At the end of the day, insurance really is an important part to every business. So we encourage you to develop a relationship and have a resource you can count on. We think this is more important than price alone. Thank you very much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about our agency. And we look forward to learning about your business and how we can help you in servicing your insurance needs.